When the world's mining industry turned to larger, more productive shovels in the mid-1980s, only one supplier was there with an 85-ton payload electric mining shovel designed from the ground up to 3-pass load the new generation of 240 to 255-ton payload trucks. That supplier was Marion. Since 1986, the Marion 351M has been operating in some of the largest, toughest mines around the world. The first two went to work in a world-class iron ore mine in Western Australia. Others now handle tough jobs in some of the largest coal mines in the Powder River Basin of the western U.S., remove overburden in the harsh climate of northern Canada, and work in several large Australian coal mines. The 301M continues to prove its worth. While the 301M set performance records around the world for 10 years, Marion continued to improve the product based on 40,000 plus operating hours of experience. In 1994, Marion introduced the 351M, an improved 85-ton class shovel, and immediately sold 2 units. Mechanical improvements of the 351M shovel are highest bale pull in the industry for improved digging, refinement of the front-end geometry for increased productivity, deeper rotating frame for reduced loading stresses, stronger dipper handle for lower maintenance costs, improved yoke block and pins for increased availability, new electrical features, and SEPTR, the new electrical system specifically designed for the 351M. It features one tie-in between all the motion drives and the PLC cabinet via one serial communication cable. Benefits of SEPTR and PLC tie-in include a one-stop diagnostics room isolated from the machinery and single location access to other systems. The design of the 351M incorporates a host of advanced features that enable it to be more productive and reliable. For example, planetary drives on all motions provide efficient power. They are more compact, lighter weight, and easier to service with plug-in replacement gear cases. The 351M is the only shovel that uses them on all motion drives. One of the keys to keeping a shovel running in harsh mining conditions is its lower frame and propel. The 351M features a rugged lower frame with bolt-on crawlers. The drive sprockets are elevated to eliminate digging forces and steering loads. The pitch-seeking sprockets allow the 351M to operate with over 1 inch of pitch extension in the crawler shoes. The dual-motor lower frame propel provides skid, differential, and pivot steering to meet any mine's travel requirements with ease. A complete drive is mounted on each crawler assembly, and gear cases are compact modular units with disc brakes mounted on each motor. The machinery house is designed in distinct modules for fast, easy field assembly. They are shipped to the field complete, with all electrical cabinets pre-wired and tested. The operator's cab has been human engineered for safety, comfort, and productivity. Operating controls are conveniently positioned with joysticks for all primary motions. The front end was computer designed to allow the dipper to cut through the bank with uniform cutting forces at all handle positions. The major front end structures have been subjected to finite element analysis to ensure they stand up to stresses and impacts of tough digging. This design allows the yoke block to be mounted on trunnions located on the boom, not on the shipper shaft. The shovel's boom point sheaves are identical pre-assembled modules that are mounted in anti-friction bearings and lubricated by the AutoLube system, another example of the machine's serviceability. The hoist, swing, and crowd machinery maximize dipper fill while cycling in about 30 seconds or less. Driven by two DC motors, the rack and pinion crowd drive is electronically controlled to balance the load transmitted to the single handle rack. The hoist machinery provides optimum bale pull, generating greater cutting force for quicker dipper fill. Marion engineers designed the 351M with the highest swing torque in its class. Driven by two identical motors, the swing assemblies are compact, modular units. The 351M incorporates the most advanced electrical drive system available, static power conversion. This system has distinct advantages over competitive DC or AC shovel drives. Motion drives utilize variable voltage DC with proven DC motors. Static reactive power compensation is used to regulate power factor during the digging cycle without the use of switched capacitors. Solid-state programmable logic controllers are used for auto lube, hoist, and crowd limits, and system diagnostics. The collector rings and rotoseal assembly are mounted above the center journal on the upper frame for easy, safe access for servicing. The 351M's electrical system features a sophisticated yet easy-to-use diagnostic system with electronic readouts to inform the operator and to assist in troubleshooting. An event logger monitors over 150 separate events for additional diagnostic information. From its dipper teeth to its crawler shoes, the Marion 351M is designed and built to be productive and lower your operating costs. Backed by more than a century of shovel experience, the Marion 351M is ready to meet your mine's toughest challenge.